Let's go ahead and speed up DNF just a little bit. So when I first started using Fedora and DNF specifically, I was a bit concerned because it took a while to do some of the downloads. There are a lot of reasons behind that, but with a little bit of Google searching, I was able to figure out what I can do to actually fix that. So let's just see what we can do here. This is a fresh install, well, almost fresh. So we'll go ahead and switch over to the desktop, and let's go ahead and open up the terminal. We will open up the terminal. Oops, keep hitting the wrong keys there. There we go. So let's actually make this bigger so we can see it. So the first thing we're going to want to do is to go into our etc folder. So cd/etc. We should have a DNF folder in there. So DNF or directory. I keep saying folder, but a DNF directory. From there, you're going to see we have the dnf.conf. So we can edit that as sudo. So sudo dnf.conf. Pardon me, sudo vim.dnf.conf. There we go. Give it my super secret password. And notice we have some items here that we can set. So one of the things I'm going to set is the max parallel downloads. So max _ parallel. Let me make sure I spell that right because I never do. Downloads. And I'm going to go ahead and set that to 10. So the default value from my reading is that it is set to 3 by default. We're going to set it to 10 so we can have more downloads in parallel. One of the other things we can do is actually set up the fast mirrors. So it's going to look for the fast mirrors. Now, again, from my research, it's not so far as picking the fastest mirror. It's checking for the mirror with the lowest latency. So that's what it's going to do, and then therefore use that. So to set that, we'll go ahead and after max parallel downloads, we will type fastest mirrors. Pardon me, mirror, and then you can set it to true. That should work, and then it will go ahead. Make sure I type this right. Fastest mirror. There we go, and then we will set that to true. And that should then allow us to have a faster version of DNS. So we'll go ahead and set that. Clear this out, and then I'm going to go ahead and set this to, or let's just test it out. So I don't know if I have anything installed. So let's just do DNF update, see what happens. Last metadata, nothing to do. That actually was a lot faster for me than it normally is. So let's go back out. Let's see, what can we download? Fluent. Let's see if I can get Fluent from here. I don't know if it's a flat pack or in the store or not. So Fluent. We'll see, it might, yeah, so it's not in there. So in any case, I can't think of anything else to download right now because I pretty much downloaded everything I wanted on my system as it is right now. But this should make it faster.